So we have the GEM1502 here. We're going to run a demo on. I'm going to demonstrate how to load a design, get it ready for work, and we're going to go ahead and run a trace and run our caps. So we'll first position our USB thumb drive on the side of the panel. Here we can see our main screen. And in order to locate our USB, we have a little disk key right here, which is right under F2. Press that. You see our USB, which is visible here at the moment. Go ahead and press it. Scroll using our keys. Locate our file. Okay, and we're going to use this sample file right here. We're going to press enter, and we're going to press import, which is F3. Confirm selection. And now we will confirm that we'll be running this pattern momentarily. Okay. Next step we'll do is we'll run into the parameters as we see here. And since we are running a cap, we're going to need to rotate on our direction. So we'll go ahead and select our direction option. And using our arrows, we'll go ahead and select our object and rotate it 180 degrees perhaps. Press enter, confirm, and escape. And lastly, we will put our machine on embroidery mode. We can now see our file is visible. Next step we'll do is we'll run to F9, which is our color selection, and we'll input our colors. Now this particular job has 3 colors, so I'm going to go ahead and just start off with color 1, 2, and 3. Press enter. Once that's completed, escape to go back to our main page. Then the last step we'll have here is we're going to run a trace and make sure that the area of the design or the size of the design is going to be adequate for the cap that we're running. Step 1 we'll do is we'll press 1 to make sure that we are lined up on needle 1. Okay, you could also see it here on the panel. So make sure we're physically on needle 1. Okay, if any adjustments need to be made, we could move our frame using the arrows. And lastly, we'll go into our F5 option, and we will go to option 2, and as you notice, the machine will begin to run a trace. Okay, I'll run that one more time. Okay. Once we're sure that the area is correct and we're ready for embroidery, all we'll do is press start, which is right down here. stop this for a second just to explain a little bit here. So one thing that I've done is I've split my design and I've started off in the middle. And usually when you have a design, you want it to run continuous for time purposes. But the reason for this test we have here is basically to show that the GEM1502, just like other Meistergram machines, is capable, or they are capable of sewing through seams. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit start and continue. Also notice that we are running the machine at 1,000 stitches a minute. The GEM1502 multi-head has a max of 1,000 stitches a minute. Normally we recommend to run caps below 850, but for demonstration purposes we will run it at 1,000. It is capable of running at 1,000. We usually recommend 850 or below, just to be able to have avoid long-term wear and tear of the equipment. But eventually, speed is optional, and different operators have tendencies of running machines at different speeds. There we have it. GEM1502 on cap embroidery.